Rashi Sonar. I am attending biotechnology.
And why have you selected DIST?
Well, it's the only biotech college in Durgapur, student-friendly college. My name is Anupriya Singha. I'm doing biotechnology BSc. Selected it because it's in my locality, and I already had an elder brother who has passed out from this college, and he only told me that the faculty is very good, the teachers are very cooperative, and for that I have selected.
Yes, I myself, Udayan Mitra, the Training and Placement Head, as well as the Head of the Department, Bachelor of Business Administration, Durgapur Institute of Science and Technology Management, affiliated to West Bengal University of Technology, presently known as MAKAUT, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology. As you all know that Durgapur is known as the educational hub of Eastern India, and the steel city of Durgapur is also known as the Ruhr of Bengal. Here the students come with the aim of achieving specialty in different fields so that they can reach the heights as they expect in days to come. Durgapur Institute of Science and Technology Management provides with quality education at affordable cost to different students belonging to different spheres of society. I, as a head of the department, would like to give emphasis that today BBA serves as a stepping stone for the future education of MBA, and it paves as a stepping stone for the future dimensions to come. With achieving the qualification of Bachelor in Business Administration, the students get opportunity in different companies, into different corporate hubs where they get lucrative salaries and they get white collar jobs. Our students by far have been placed in different corporate companies like Pantaloons, Aditya Birla Group, Camlin, Nestle, Dabur India Limited, and many more. So, as a head of Bachelor of Business Administration, I would like to give emphasis that students come over here, and they are coming for quite some time, because the atmosphere over here is very homely. The teachers are very much dedicated, and they see to it that the students are well blessed in life. That's all I can say on behalf of DIST Group of Institutions. Thank you.
So today we are going to discuss about chromatography, okay?
Solute divided by solvent.
And that is actually the RF value. So the basic principle of chromatography is that it mainly detects the separation of amino acids from an entire solution. If in a protein solution I need to separate the amino acids, suppose, then the amino acids, as per the distance they travel in a chromatographic chamber, the chromatographic chamber contains a solution, that is the solvent, and we generally dip a chromatographic paper where we put the drops of amino acids, okay, and the drops of amino acids, and there is an unknown. That unknown amino acid we need to analyze, that what amino acid is present in that unknown sample. So after putting the drops of amino acids as well as the unknown sample, we dip it in a solvent, and after few minutes, maybe 30 minutes, it runs and we dry it.
Welcome to DIST Group of Institutions, Durgapur. It is a very pleasure to me to give a brief profile of DIST Group of Institutions, West Bengal, Durgapur. DIST Group has started its journey in 2002 with an intention to provide job-oriented education to the young talents. Right now, we have BSc Biotechnology Honours, Biochemistry or Microbiology Honours, BBA, BCA, Hotel Management and Hospital Management. All our faculties are highly educated, well experienced, dedicated and provide good education to our students with personal care. We have our computer lab more than 1500 square feet with more than 40 computers in it, having free Wi-Fi. We have biotechnology laboratory and microbiology laboratory with all digital instruments, 1500 square feet. Our biotechnology and microbiology laboratory is one of the best in Eastern India. We have our digital, well-equipped and library that is with reading room. We have enough number of reference books, test books and national and international journals with periodicals. From 2018, we are in the verge of studying dual specialization in BBA, BCA, hospital management and hotel management. Dual specialization will help the students to get their dream job after their courses. So DIST Group of Institutions will be your best destination after 10+2 for the professional degree.